Tree on the hill, I used to pass by you with my double buggy, wee babies. I was pregnant and another baby due. With a 1-year-old and a 2-year-old, I got scared they'd fall in the stream. So we stayed well back, looking at you from a distance 3 years ago. Never did I dream I'd once get so close to you, exploring and learning about the water and the burn of you. Transmutation, ball of healing light, holy leaves, intrinsic patterns of delight, birthing women, strong trunk legs, connecting to my higher self, entwined with pathfinder guide of branches, always looking overhead. I looked up to you, always seeing you from different perspectives, new buds growing like my own new heart, water protector giving me a fresh start, sycamore of familiarity, perseverance, strength, vitality, hawthorn, dismemberment too, with the goats, willow, did I start to emerge too, with the eyes of 3 companions, elephant too, engravings and markings, earth and air practice setters, dancing, entrancing, romancing, dancing in the other realms. For me, for us. Power, animal paw print, magic, carpet, fern, flowing, oh flowing. Love yourself. Okay, I will. Thank you, nature, my kith and kin.